welcome to my review of the my custom trunks. This is from Express. My very first custom trunks. It is the Goku arms, but don't mind that. But here are the trunks, the face, the back. Ooh, good job. So now we do this now. Go out the box. Two of the hands. All the hands with it. Let's get the camera. All those face. Faces. I did. Don't mind me. My first custom. Cause hands like those hands again. Those hands again. And those hands again. More hands. More hands. More hands. More hands. And all those hands. A new hair piece. Now I have more. So the attention figure is great. Basically, I have two trunkses for AliExpress. Two trunkses I have. I have two trunkses for AliExpress. So now we do this now. Now we do my ichigo. I'm gonna do 2 reviews daily now on YouTube. I'm gonna do 2 reviews on it. So we'll do this now. Here's my ichigo Kunasaki. My face fell off. Fucking motherfucker. Fucking falling off, bitch. So here's the ichigo Kawasaki. He has a cabin. He has cabin. You don't mind that. He comes open hands. Sort of holding hands. Fist. He comes like a fist. 2 fists. Cause standing hands. Same hands. He comes like a screaming face. A screaming face. Hold on. Here's a screaming face. A serious looking face. A scared looking face. And a wonderful face. Wonderful. Let's see. Smiling face. Basically comes the same face like this. Face. So that should he a swivel hand, swivel here, swivel just swivel on the arm, a swivel here, swivel here, swivel the foot, swivel here. Now the leg, swivel here. This leg broke off, but I can swivel here. The head, swivel here. The face plate comes off automatically for the Express. So over here, the head can do is, and now it's 360. Now the arm strength goes all the way up here. Arm goes again all the way up here. The leg goes up like that. Hold on. Moves right away, moves right. Okay, beautiful spread, but the leg's broken. So beautiful spread. Now the trunks now, beautiful spread. Beautiful. So his hand's broken again. I don't know why. I saw this is arm, head swivel, leg swivel, ankle swivel, hand swivel, of course, and the box on the figure is great. It's the box. The box is great. It's the trunks. Now I'll put it back. I'll put it back in that box because I don't use it all the time. But now, put the accessories back in their box. 5 accessories, put in the box. Up here. But I'm saying these 2 figures. The usual. I'm gonna do another of this called Master Chief Review, the Master Chief Review, which is this 1,000 Toys AliExpress Master Chief. Now, after this one, but this and these 2 figures are great. One's from Dragon Ball, one's from Bleach. I might do a Renji review, but I'm getting new Renji. I don't know when, but this is my second review. Thank you for watching, everybody, and I'll see y'all later. And hold on, stay positive, follow your dreams, and don't give up on yourself.